Removing an old Apple ID from your Apple Watch.
Welcome. Today we're going to cover a common issue many new Apple Watch owners face: how to remove the previous owner's Apple ID from the Apple Watch. If you've bought a used Apple Watch or been gifted one, this step is crucial to properly using and personalizing your new device.
Why is it important to remove the old Apple ID?
The Apple ID is the account that ties you to all things Apple: the App Store, iCloud, iTunes, Apple Music, and more. This ID is unique to each user and serves to identify you across Apple's services. If your Apple Watch is still linked to a previous owner's Apple ID, you won't be able to fully access these services, and the previous owner may still have access to your activity. Therefore, it is crucial to remove the old Apple ID.
Preparing to remove the old Apple ID.
The first step in removing the previous owner's Apple ID is making sure you have all the necessary information. Ideally, the previous owner should remove the Apple Watch from their Apple ID before handing it over to you. If this hasn't been done, you will need the previous owner's Apple ID and password. If you do not have access to this information, you will need to contact the previous owner and ask them to follow these steps remotely.
Steps to remove the Apple ID on the watch.
Here's how to remove an Apple ID from the Apple Watch. 1. Open the Watch app on the previous owner's iPhone. 2. Tap on the My Watch tab. 3. Select the Apple Watch to be removed. 4. Tap on the information icon, I, next to the watch. 5. Select Unpair Apple Watch.
If the previous owner is not around.
If you don't have access to the previous owner, they can remove the device from their account remotely. 1. Ask the previous owner to sign in to iCloud.com with their Apple ID. 2. They should go to Find iPhone. 3. Click All Devices, then select the Apple Watch. 4. Click Erase Apple Watch. This will erase all content and settings from the device. 5. After it's erased, click Remove from Account. And that's it. You've now successfully removed the previous owner's Apple ID from your Apple Watch. With this done, you can now link the watch to your own Apple ID and enjoy all the features the device has to offer. Thanks for watching, and remember to always ensure you have removed the old Apple ID when getting a used Apple device.